Everybody, Ross here, and welcome back to the channel. This is year 16 of the Ross Belkin YouTube channel, and the first video of 2025, so Happy New Year to everybody. Tonight, heading to UBS Arena again. The Islanders play host to the Carolina Hurricanes. Last time I went was on November 23rd. I went with my best friend Laura, and we had a good time. The Islanders won 3-1 over the St. Louis Blues. Islanders are on a 3-game win streak right now and are 6 points back of a playoff spot. So, Islanders are going for 4 in a row for the first time this season, and hopefully they can do it. The Carolina Hurricanes got some new players. The Islanders got a new player, Tony DeAngelo, who might play tonight. Who knows? But either way, we're gonna head off to UBS Arena. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys there. Let's go, Islanders. All right, made it to UBS. Just go off the shuttle bus and Islanders.
What's so proudly we have at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars.
oh God, Pollock's out already. Hogbird! 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 my God. The comeback is complete. 4 in a row, the Islanders win it. Brock Nelson in overtime, right in front of me again. And so, I guess, well, that's the end of the video, unless there's a party going on the concourse. This is Ross Belkin signing off. Have a good night, everybody. Islanders win.